Pronunciation workshop next 8. American accent, American accent. Hi, welcome back. My name is Paul Gruber. A training session, pronunciation workshop, vowel shop. A-E-I-O-U. Difficult. Incorrectly. Misunderstood. Vowel. Mouth, tongue, lip. Mouth, tongue, lip. Ear training. First vowel and soft vowel. Front and back. Memorize. Front vowel. High to low. E, E, R, R, R. E, E, R, A, R. Heat, heat. Hate. A, head, air, head, R, heart. Heat, heat, hate, head, heart. Heat, air, E, R, E, 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 R, R. E, E, R, R. R, R, E, R, R. Heat, heat, hate, head, heart. Heat, heat, hate, head, heart. Heat, heat, hate, head, heart. Back vowel. Ooh, ah. Ooh, ah. Ooh, oh, ah. Ooh, oh, ah. Ooh, oh, ah. Ooh, ah. Ow. Ooh, ah. Ooh, Boot, book, oh, book, boat, boat, bot. Boot, book, boat, bot, bot. Boot, book, book, boat, bot, bot. Boot, book, boat, bot. Heat, heat. Heat, 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 heat. Heat, heat, heat. Heat, heat. Heat. Heat, heat. Key. Deal. Seek. Seed. Reap. Till. Bean. E. Feed. Seen. Bean. Exception. E. Bean. I've been by bean. See, me, eat, even, key, green, tree, very, happy, softly, merry, busy, finally, country, speeding on freeway, happily, eating cheese, he and she, skiing very rapidly, see, a monkey eating honey, he see a pony stealing money? Who can he see? It must be me. Me. It's not me. Hit. Bit. Build. Build. Lift. Fizz. Kitchen. Build. Bigger. Gym. Fit. Listen. Business. First. Deep place. Film. Lame. Fish. Discuss. Figure. 50. Bean. E. 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 The bean have been cooking since 6 o'clock. Sit in. Sit by the window. We ate our meal by the meal. The seal will live in the ocean. Team rin after seeing. Rin field. Heat and heat. Sheep the sheep. Cheaply. Those beans are for built beans. The zin still zin. The girl put country on zeal. Sneaker. Big cherries in the pig. Or you will eat the pig. E. She. He. Me. Hit. He hit the baseball and feel the heat. Hit the baseball and feel the heat. Hit. The backhoe ruler.